freedom and slavery. Emperor Akbar thought Birbal was very wise. He always wanted to learn from Birbal. One day, he asked, Birbal, tell us something about the path to freedom and the path to slavery. Birbal said, Your Majesty, at the outset, the path to freedom will be full of obstacles and steep climbs. In fact, there will actually be no path, just thorns, rocks, and danger all around. But after a struggle, a smooth pathway will appear all of a sudden. The pathway will be strewn with flowers. Those who put up a brave front and face all the difficulties will be happy in the end. The path to slavery, Birbal continued, is just the opposite. In the beginning, it will be a smooth road, without any difficulty and full of flowers. Later, there will be nothing but rocks, steep climbs, and danger on all sides. It ends in sorrow. Very well said, Akbar exclaimed. A true winner. A wrestling competition was once held in the palace. Wrestlers from all over Akbar's kingdom participated in the competition. Emperor Akbar, Birbal, and the other courtiers watched the competition. When it ended, the winner boasted, I am the champion. I am the most powerful man in the country. Does anybody want to challenge me? Birbal walked up to the wrestler and asked, Were your competitors as strongly built as you are? The wrestler said, Not at all. I could easily win over them. Birbal said, Then you are not a true winner. You shouldn't be so proud. The winner asked, Didn't you see how I defeated everyone? Birbal replied, One should not be proud of defeating weaker people. A competition is fair only if it takes place between the two people of equal strength. The winner understood Birbal's counsel and began teaching the art of wrestling to the weak wrestlers. The stone thrower. One morning, Birbal was going to the court. A wicked man was hiding near the palace. When Birbal passed by, the man threw a stone at him. Birbal was hurt. He chased the man and caught him. Then Birbal gave the man some money. The man was surprised. He asked, Why are you rewarding me? when I have hurt you? Birbal said, I did not want to go to work today. You hurt me, so I got an excuse to stay at home. The wicked man was happy. He asked, I want more money. Where can I find another man like you? Birbal took the man near the palace and pointed towards a guard and said, He shall pay you more if you throw a stone at him. The man threw a stone at the guard, who chained him and took him to the court to be punished. The company he keeps. One day, after the usual session at the court, Akbar and Birbal were strolling in the royal garden. Birbal was talking and Akbar was listening. As they walked on, Birbal said some things that Akbar did not like. Akbar went on listening to Birbal. However, Birbal did not know that he had annoyed Akbar. As Birbal went on and on, Akbar found it difficult to keep quiet. He said, Birbal, my patience is wearing thin. Birbal asked, What happened, Your Majesty? Akbar replied, You are annoying me with your words. Although we spend a lot of time together, yet I cannot go on listening to you all the time. Birbal smiled and said, Your Majesty, our companions affect our behavior. I think it has to do with the company that I keep. Akbar laughed out aloud. After all, Birbal's companion was Akbar himself. Once again, Birbal won Akbar's heart with his quick wit. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.